All right, so we're at the ice and vending machine. Drinks are located on the first, third, and fourth floor. But this is at Disney World Pop Century, and we're in the 70s, and this is number 10. Ice machine right here. Pretty standard, made by Manitowoc, located in Wisconsin of all places. And then we have our vending machine here. We have Jack Links, Lay's, Funyuns, Cheetos, Sun Chips, Ruffles, just everything here that you see. A couple other stuff there, cookies, Haribo, you name it. Also, what is that, Reese's? Not Trish's? What does that say? Whatever that says. All right, let's take a look at prices. Ooh, oh, okay. Lights up for you. Let's just go, let's do 307. Oops. All right, $3.25 for that little bag of 2 ounces. Let's do the 405. $3.50 for the Reese's. Let's do the 406. Looks like it's resetting every time. $4.50 for the Haribo. Let's do 407. That seems really expensive, especially for just that little bit. 407. $3.50. And let's do 101 because beef jerky is always expensive. People are getting ice, but $4.50 for that little pack of beef jerky. There you go, guys.